Let's learn how to find records. The easiest way to search for a record is to use the search bar in the top right corner of the global navigation bar. Here, I can input keywords, object names, or accession numbers. Records can also be found using the Find menu. Selecting the type of record you're looking for, let's say representations, and then the kind of search you're looking for. We've got basic search, advanced search, and browse. Let's start by finding objects with a basic search. I'll go to Find, Objects, Basic Search. At the top of this page is our search bar. We can enter keywords or accession numbers here. If we want to search for the entire collection, we can input an asterisk. Now I have the entire collection to search through. This is a little too much, so I'm going to narrow things down. Maybe I want to search for items that were accessioned in the year 2025. I can type in 2025 dot asterisk. And this will show me everything that was accessioned in 2025. Perfect. This can also be used if you found an object in your collection in real life and the label is difficult to read. Let's say, for example, the accession year is 2024. You can't read the lot number, but the item number is 1. I can look for this in the database using an asterisk. I'll type in 2024 dot asterisk dot 1. And there's my object. If I want to save this search, I can just click the Save button right here under the search bar. And then to use this saved search, I can go to the left side of the screen. Under Saved Searches, click on the drop-down menu to the search that I just saved, and then click the arrow beside it. And this will bring up those results again. You can also use an advanced search. I can access an advanced search on this page by clicking Advanced Search here on the left side of the page, but let's go back to the dashboard. To do an advanced search, I'll go to Find, Objects, Advanced Search. Here you can input each of the fields you need to find a particular object. If I want to save this search, I'll have to type into this bar here what I want the saved search to be, and then click this arrow here. You should receive a pop-up that says that your search term was saved. The last search option is Browse. I'll go to Find, Objects, Browse. Browse allows you to browse through all of the records of a particular type. So that could be object, collection, entity, etc. And narrow your search using filters. Filters are related to fields that appear on the record. All record types allow you to browse with the filters Types, Statuses, and Access Statuses, while object records can be browsed with many more filters. If I want to export my search results, I'll first have to complete a search. I want to export this list of objects. I'll go to Display Options. Here I can change how many objects are displayed per page, how I'd like the page to be sorted by, as well as my display type. To save changes, I'll click this arrow right here. And then to export, I'll go to Export Tools. Let's say I want to export as a spreadsheet, so I'll click on this drop-down menu, select Spreadsheet, and then click this arrow here to export to my computer. And then I'll click this minus button to close this window. Now my results have been exported, and I can find them in the Downloads folder on my computer.